Hello, in this video I'm going to show you all backup methods on the Honor Path V9. Okay, so first we need to open up our settings. Once we are here, we need to scroll down into the bottom until we find the system and updates. And in here, let's click on backup and restore. Just in here, and let's begin with the data backup, which is above. In here we have two methods. We can use the external storage drive or the Honor suite. Let me show you the external storage first. And now we need to insert and the USB storage, some kind of a USB storage. In my case, I have this adapter. Now I need to plug it into the USB-C port, which is right in here. So that's what I'm going to do now. Simply plug in. Now the USB storage should appear. Okay. Click right in here. Now click on backup. Now select what do you want to backup. In my case, I'm just gonna click on select all. Now click on backup. Right in here. Now we need to create a security password. And you can see that it must be from 8 to 32 characters and contain a mix of digits, uppercase letters and lowercase letters. So simply create your password. Okay, then click on next. Now the password hint. Then click on done. And now the backup process has started. In my case, it's not gonna take long because I didn't select much items, so it's not gonna take long. We already have 99%, and it should be done in a second. Okay, backup has been completed. Click on done, and you can see that the backup appeared right in here. Now I can unplug my USB storage space, and the backup has been successfully made. Okay, so that was the first method. I'm gonna show you the Honor suite as the last method, so don't worry, it's gonna be on the last part of the video, and because we're gonna require a PC to do it. And now we have the Google backup also. Make sure it's enabled right in here. Now, in here you have your backup account, and on that account the backup will be stored and saved. So basically, don't forget it, otherwise you won't be able to restore your backup in the future. It is really important. You can also enable the auto restore if you want, right in here. Now, let's click on Google account. Let's make sure that we have some free space. In here, again, we can see our Google account, and on that account the backup will be stored. So remember about it. When it comes to the backup details, here we have the list of things that will be backup. So it will be apps, photos and videos, device settings, and the Google account data. Now, click on the Backup Now button. Now the process will start. You can now see that under the backup word, this thin bar appeared, and it's starting to slowly fulfill. When it comes to the opposite edge, and basically when it disappears, it will mean that our backup has been successfully made. We will also see an information on the bottom of the screen, so I'll see you once my backup is done. Okay, now my backup has been successfully made. We can see it also right in here that it's successfully done, because we can see how long ago the last backup was made. We can also see the hour, and that means that everything is fine. Below we can also see under the backup details that everything went okay. Alright, so that was those two methods, and now let me show you how to use the Honor suite. Okay, so now I launched my PC, and now let me show you how to create a backup using the Honor suite. So first we need to visit the Honor suite site. Simply in your browser type Honor suite, then click on the first link, and now download for the Windows or for the Mac. Next to it we have the Mac right in here. So in my case I just downloaded for the Windows. Then open up the downloads, open up. Now click on the software and in here install the app. Okay, so once it's installed, simply launch it. Okay. Now I'm going to adjust the position on the screen. Okay, and now we need to connect our Honor into our PC using the USB-C cable. So in here I have it. Now I'm going to plug it in. And connect into your PC. Now select use USB-C to transfer files. And now go back from here, find about tablet options, and here we have the build number. We need to tap on that a few times until we will see that we are a developer. Then click on the system and updates, find developer options, scroll down a little bit and find USB debugging. Simply launch it, click on OK. Okay, now we can see that on our tablet and on our screen of the PC this information appeared. Click on OK. Click on OK also on your PC. Okay, actually you don't need to. And now it says that the Honor Suit app will be downloaded on our Honor. So simply click on OK. Now we need to wait. Okay, now click on more details and click on install anyway. Click on agree. In here click on allow, basically allow for anything. And now we need to type this code in our app on the PC. So that's what I'm going to do. Now click on connect. Okay, our devices has been successfully connected to each other. And now click on copy right in here. Now wait a little bit. And now select what you want to backup, then click on copy. And now we need to set a password. And again, it needs to have from 8 to 32 digits and contains big letters and small letters and also the numbers. Then below create a hint. Then click on OK. And now the process has started, as you can see. So now let's wait until it's finished. It's not gonna take long. Okay, the process is finished. It has been successfully backupped. Click on ready, and now our backup has been successfully made. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.